Planning to explore Sydney, but don't want to drag your luggage around? Radical Storage offers a fast, reliable way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, we'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Sydney using Radical Storage, a secure platform offering fully insured storage options. Radical Storage works with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is kept safe while you explore Sydney. It's essential to use only trusted sources, like Radical Storage, to avoid phishing sites. To ensure your safety, use the secure link provided to access the official Radical Storage website. From there, finding a luggage storage point in Sydney is easy. Simply type Sydney into the search bar to view available storage locations throughout the city, near major tourist attractions, transport hubs, or central areas. Choose a convenient location, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed with payment. Radical Storage offers secure online payments for peace of mind. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen storage point. When you arrive, show your reference number to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage. That's all. Now you can explore Sydney without worrying about your bags. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.